Wix Email Marketing Automation, part of Ascend by Wix, allows you to create automated email sequences based on user behavior. The two core components are triggers and segments. Triggers are events that initiate automated emails, like when a user signs up. Segments are dynamic groups of contacts created based on specific criteria, enabling targeted messaging. Triggers are events that initiate automated emails. For example, when a user signs up, makes a purchase, or shows lack of engagement. Recent enhancements include AI-powered suggestions for optimal triggers. Segments are dynamic groups of contacts created based on specific criteria, such as demographics, behavior, or purchase history. This enables targeted messaging. Segments now use predictive analytics for better targeting. Recent enhancements include AI-powered automations that suggest optimal triggers and segments, reducing manual setup time. These use predictive analytics and support e-commerce events and social media interactions. First, log into your Wix account. Then navigate to Marketing and SEO, select Email Marketing, and click on Automations. Here you can see the Automations interface with templates available. Now, define your trigger. Select from behavioral triggers like when a user signs up, time-based triggers like after a delay, or event-based triggers such as order confirmations. This image shows behavioral email triggers with various options, and this illustrates time-based triggers with delayed email sequences. Add conditions to filter your triggers, such as targeting users in a specific country to make them more specific. Next, let's set up a segment. In Ascend, go to Contacts and select Segments. This interface shows the segments management with AI assistance. Create a segment using filters such as demographics, behavior like purchase history, or custom data. Enable AI enhancements for predictive segmentation to target based on future behavior. Save the segment and link it to your automation for personalized content. Remember, triggers must be specific to avoid issues, and segments update in real time for accuracy.